Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you a functionality in Mesh Morpher which allows us to fix spikes in our meshes, right? These spikes could happen due to import. You used some bad morphed obj file or base obj file and you got something like this, right? Like a spike. And let's open this morph target with the spike and let's go to tools and let's enable ruler, right? Let's delete this and let's see here. If we place a point at the top of the spike and one at the bottom, we will see we have a distance of 7.4 units, right? This is our spike uh, height, right? So let's try to fix this, and we can go to the Laplacian smooth tool, and here we can do one thing. We can toggle selection and either select our vertex here. Let's disable render unselected so we only have our vertex. So now we have only our vertex, right? This is our spike vertex, and we want to fix this, right? So let's toggle selection off, and let's use our distance here. It's basically less than this distance because we want to calculate the distance to the average position of its neighbors. So let's put something like 5 maybe, right? So if we apply fixed spikes, now this is fixed, right? We will see that our spike got fixed pretty quick. The vertex is now positioned in the average position of its neighbor vertices, right? Now let's do the same for the head, right? If we open the head, actually let's enable our jaw open expression here. And now let's open the morph target. We will see we have a spike here as well, right? So let's proceed with, let's pick a good angle here. Let's make sure we have our ruler enabled, and let's just so we can see what's going on here, right? So we have a distance of 1.3 units in this spike. It's approximately, right? So we can do the same thing as for the body. By the way, you don't have to select everything or anything. You can leave it. You can leave everything unselected and just apply fixed spikes, but this will apply to the entire mesh. But we don't want that, right? Because we might have something that is popping out that we might need in other areas, right? So select. Let's toggle selection, and let's disable our unselected vertices, and let's just select our vertex here. And now we can go ahead and toggle selection off, and let's put the value of 1 here, right? And now we fixed it. Let's enable render unselected, and we can also remove our rulers here. And now we have our spike fixed, right? So you can apply this to an entire mesh, to a selection, to whatever you want to do, right? But keep in mind that if you leave everything, so if you apply fixed spikes to the entire mesh, certain spots of the mesh, like maybe eyelashes, might not be required to be fixed like this, right? So this is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video, and see you around. Bye.